How to make a promo code on Shopify. The first thing you need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see discounts, you are going to tap on that. After doing that, you are going to tap on create discount. Once you have selected it, you will see the different type of discounts. So for example, if you would like to offer discounts off products, you can do that. As you can see, product discount. If you would like to offer amount off order, you can do that. And if you would like to offer buy discount, so you buy X and you get Y as a discounted price, you can do that. If you would like to offer free shipping discount, you can also set that up right here. So you have 4 different discount options that you can choose from, and I'll be going through all 4 with you. So the first option that we'll be using is amount of products. So if we were to tap on that, you would be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see discount code. So you have 2 options. You can either choose to create a discount code, or you can tap on generate, and Shopify will automatically generate a discount code for you. After creating the discount code, you will scroll down, and from here you have value. So for example, if you would like to give a percentage off, you can simply leave it at percentage and you could enter the amount. So let's say 5% off. Or if you would like to give a fixed amount off, you can tap on fixed amount. Then let's say I want to give $10 off. So you can see it will be $10 off. Then where does this discount apply to? Do you want it to apply to specific collections? If so, from right on the search bar, you are going to tap on browse, and then you are going to choose the collections that you would like to offer the discount from, or to, better yet. Or would you like to offer it to specific products? If so be the case, after selecting specific products, you are going to tap on browse. Then from here, you are going to select the products that you would like to offer discount on. So you can select the products, or you could select all products. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on add. And after doing that, you are going to scroll down. Then from here, you will see the sales channels. So you can select whether you use point of sale, Google, or Facebook and Instagram. You can select any one of these, but online store is automatically selected already by default. Then you can scroll down. Does the person need to spend a minimum amount before they can accept this discount, or no minimum requirements? If no minimum requirements, you can select no minimum requirements. If they need to spend a certain amount, you can select minimum purchase amount, and then you can enter the amount that the person or customer, better yet, need to spend before they can access the discounts. Or you can tap on minimum quantity of items. So let's say, for example, to accept the discount, they would need to purchase at least 2 items. So you would select 2 right here, and after tapping on minimum quantity of items. Then below that, you will see customer eligibility, and from there you can select whether it is available for all customers, or specific customer segments, or specific customers. If it is only available for specific customers, you can search for the customers right here, but I would offer it for all customers. Then below that, you will see maximum discount uses. So will customers be able to use the discount repeatedly, or do you want to limit it? As you can see, limit number of times this discount can be used in total. You could tap on that. Then from there, you can set the amount of times that a customer can use this particular discount. Or if you would like to limit to 1 use per customer, you could toggle that. Then you can scroll down and you can see combinations. So will this discount also be available if a person wants to select a shipping discount or other product discounts? So let's say you have more than 1 discount offer on your store. Can these discounts be combined? If so, you can select the discount that you would like to combine it with, as you can see right there. And also you can select active dates. So if you would like to offer the discount, for example, only for a week, so you can select it. So this is the start date, so it will start today, and let's say I want to offer the discount for a week. I'm going to simply tap right here in the calendar icon. Then I want to offer the discount until next week Monday, so I would tap on Monday, which would be the 1st of May. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save discount in the bottom right hand corner, and you can see that discount is now saved. And also, if you would like to get a shareable link to share on social media or via email, if you are doing email marketing, you can get the shareable link right here by simply tap on get shareable link. Now let me go back and show you how to create discount for free product, or better yet, free shipping. So let's say we tap on free shipping. After tapping on free shipping, from here you can either create your discount. So let's say I create one by typing in free, or you could select generate. Do you want to offer free shipping discount for all countries or selected countries? You have two options. So if all countries, you will leave it at the default. If for selected countries, you'll tap on selected countries. Then from there, you can browse the selected countries and you can choose the countries. So let's say, for example, Australia and Belgium. Then you'll tap on add. So the discount will only be available for Australia and Belgium for them to get free shipping. Then you'll scroll down, and from here you can choose if you would like to exclude the shipping rates. Then you can scroll down even further and you will see minimum purchase requirements. Again, it's the same as I said earlier. Do you want to have minimum purchase requirements? So for example, the customer will have to spend a certain amount before. So their cart will have to come to a certain amount before it will offer free shipping. Or does it require them to purchase a set amount of items before? You can choose either one. I will leave mine at no minimum requirements. Then, is this available for all customers or only for specific customers? You have that option right there you can choose. And again, will this discount be able to be combined with other discounts? So remember, we had created a discount code earlier. Would you like persons to be able to access both discounts? So they'll also get free shipping and also the other discount that we had created. I would recommend that, but it's up to you, so I will leave that blank. And again, how long will this discount be available for? Is it forever, or would you like to set an end date? If so, you can tap on set end date and you can select the end date. Then you'll tap on save discount in the bottom right hand corner. After you have saved the discount, let me show you another way how to create discounts. So we'll tap on create discount again, and let's say we want to create a discount now for buy X and get Y. After doing that, we're going to automatically generate the discount code for this example. Then we're going to scroll down and you can see minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. So this means whether the customer needs to spend, or better yet, their cart need to be at a certain amount before they access this discount, or do they need to select a minimum amount of items. So I'll select minimum purchase amount, and the minimum purchase amount needs to be $40 before. And if you had selected minimum quantity of items, as you can see right there, from here you could enter the quantity. And you can also, if you want on any items, you can select the particular products that you want to offer this discount on right here. And you could simply tap on browse products. But for now, I'll leave it as is right there. And you can select browse products and you can choose the products that you want to offer the discount on. So you can scroll down and you can choose the products. Then you'll tap on add. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can see customer must add quantity of items specific below to their cart. And then again, I'll simply tap on 2, and then you can select the product. So you can select the product right there. So you can scroll down and you can select the product. Let's say, for example, this product right here. Then after doing that, what will be the discount? So will it be a percentage off, 5% off, or you will tap and you will be giving away the second item for free? Remember that the second product that you chose will be the one that the percent will come off. So what will it be? You can choose right there. For this example, I'll give 10% off. Then you can set a maximum number of uses per order if you want. You can tap right there and set the maximum number of uses. Then you can scroll down, and again you can choose what type of customer will have access to the discount, or if all customers. Then you'll scroll down and you can choose whether this will be able to combine with other discounts that you'll offer. If so, you can select the type of discount that it can combine with. So let's say, for example, you want to offer this discount and they can also get the shipping discount. You could tap right here and select it. So they'll be able to combine both discounts. And do you want this discount to end at a particular date? If so, you'll tap on set end date and then you can choose the end date. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save discount in the bottom right hand corner. And then that will be it. As you can see, amount must be $129 as they combine both prices. So let me see right there. Then I'll tap on save, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.